Here's the kitchen. And there's different cabins. There's a cabin for a master bedroom in there. And you got a table. Oh, here comes the master woman. There's a table. There's the captain's quarters. And another. I'll show you one of these bedrooms right here. Small, but it does the trick. Hey, I'm filming with sound. Hi, Miriam. Miriam's feeling better.
I'm feeling great.
Mac's feeling good.
Especially with land on the horizon.
Well, you never know who's going to see this. Here's the captain. He's abandoned ship. Oh, he's going over to the other sailboat. There's our other crew right there. Here's where we're at on our second day. Very calm, beautiful.
Pirates Bite.
Yeah. This is it. But we'll be ready to cast off pretty soon here. Tell us where we're going.
Right now we're heading towards Persian Corner. We're going to make a port tack in about 5 minutes, sail straight to Marina Key, where we're going to spend the night.
Got that, Co-Captain?
I did.
Is that a go?
Let's go. We're ready.
Hey, go. You fall asleep over there?
She concurs.
This wind is really feels good.
Next stop, Bermuda.
Oh yeah?
Well, if you miss that, then I guess
Yeah.
Greenland.
We're on a bit of a slant right now.
Heel. It's called a heel.
We're on a heel. See how high it is on that side. We're losing some of our coffee pots and stuff.
Okay, here we go. Tack.
Tack! Look at them tack!
I was not ready. I was not ready.
What a crew.
All right. Wrap it up. Get the winch.
Let's throw it up.
You're on.
I can't even see him, to be honest with you. Off?
I guess you stayed up there a little bit longer.
Okay, it's Wednesday. We're off to another island paradise.
You got to say captain's log.
Captain's log.
Wednesday. Start date. Yeah. Start date Wednesday.
Having fun?
Right.
Loads of fun.
Loads of fun.
Tons of fun. We are. We're taking the little ones on.
And we're kicking their ass. Oh, not yet.
Yeah? It's put me asleep though. I know. This is the bay that we're surrounding ourselves in. And we got a little of everything here, including nice blue water. There's the Atlantic out there, straight ahead. There's a little reef coming across.
Amy's favorite place.
Amy's favorite place. Beaches there. It's beautiful here. Paradise. This is another place we stayed. Beautiful water, nice bay. Oh, it's just gorgeous here. Sun just went down, ready to make dinner. We were serenaded with a sax and a clarinet player, each from each of their boats. This is fun. Gorgeous, huh? Talk about peaceful. I'm on the bow of the boat here.
Well, I'd say, the engine is what the pool does, it's self-contained.
There they go!
You guys going in for the night, or come on? What are you guys doing? Are you going in for the night, or what?
No, we're just doing it to make a quick see if there's any place to go.
Having fun. This is a beautiful